Well, I worked with Robin when I was 14, so and that experience was really really special for me. So you know, it's really I feel like beyond people that are close to him, like his family, and in a way, it's almost like the end of a certain kind of universe of film that goes with that man, that is very intimately tied to a lot of childhood memories that I have beyond working with him, and it's a very tragic thing.
His name was Pappas. He was what you used to call retarded.
Oh! Slow motion!
Tommy don't like girls.
What are you doing with?
When I was a kid, I thought my friends were everything.
You do good things.
He is an example also for you, maybe.
Of course, yeah, he's amazing. Robin Williams, may he rest in peace, was really extraordinary.